Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today we're going to be looking at how to use Blackhole Splitter app. Now it is important to approach apps like Blackhole Splitter with caution, as their functionality can sometimes infringe on copyright and their availability and features can change rapidly. So here's a general guide based on common usage patterns reported by users. First, you need to search for Blackhole or Blackhole Splitter in your device's app store, that is Google Play Store or Android Apple App Store for iOS. Now once you've done that and installed it, be very mindful of the permissions the app requires during installation, as only allow permissions that seem relevant to the app's data function. Next, you have to navigate to the video you want to download on the platform where it is hosted. It could be YouTube or TikTok. Then locate the share button and select copy link. Then open the Blackhole app. Look for an area within the app where you can paste the copied link. This is often a text field or a designated button. Then paste the link into the app. The app should begin processing the link and offer download options. You may be able to choose video quality or format. Then initiate the download. Then some versions of the app have video editing features. This can include changing aspect ratios, reframing videos, cutting or trimming videos. So you can use the on-screen controls to make any desired edits. Once the download or the editing is complete, save the video to your device's gallery or storage. It's as simple as that. Now, there's some things you need to consider. 1. Copyright. Be aware that downloading copyrighted videos without permission is illegal in many countries. Use these apps responsibly and only download content that you have a right to download. App safety. Always download apps only from reputable app stores. Be cautious of apps that request excess permissions. Read app reviews before downloading, and the feature and functionality of these apps can change frequently. And also the app availability can also change. So what you need to do is always update. There are many free video download apps that contain ads which can sometimes be intrusive. So be aware of that. Now, I cannot endorse or guarantee the safety or legality of any specific app, so use these apps at your own risk. I hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.